Hi, my name is Deanna, and I'm a product manager at Zebra Technologies. Today, I'd like to talk to you about two versions of the AC powered battery eliminator that Zebra offers. Both battery eliminators allow users to connect the premium line ZQ610 Plus and the ZQ620 Plus standard and healthcare printers, along with the ZQ511 and ZQ521 printers, directly to an AC power source. So, why would you leverage this type of charging solution? Well, some use cases for mobile printers may require that the printer is mounted to a wall, used on a powered cart, or perhaps leveraged at a workstation. For these types of use cases where the printer remains at a single location, the battery eliminator is ideal. Why? Because with the battery eliminator, a battery is no longer needed to power the printer, which saves time and money in managing and replacing batteries over the life of the printer. So next, I'd like to show you the difference between the two versions of the battery eliminator, one installed in the printer so that you can determine which offering you will need based on your use case. So as you can see from the photo on the far left, the cable on the dummy pack is facing the front of the printer if it were installed in the device. The photo in the middle provides a visual of the battery eliminator dummy pack with the power supply attached in preparation for installation, while the photo on the right is showing you a visual of the battery eliminator installed in the printer with the cable exiting the front of the device. So now we'll take a look at the second version of the AC powered battery eliminator. As you can see from the photo on the far left, the cable on the battery eliminator dummy pack is facing the rear of the printer. Again, the photo in the middle provides a visual of the battery eliminator dummy pack with the power supply attached, while the photo on the right is providing a visual of the battery eliminator installed in the printer with the cable exiting the rear of the printer. Since the only difference between the two AC-powered battery eliminators is where the cable sits on the dummy pack and the position in which the cable exits the printer, how do you know which version to purchase? Well, it's really all about the use case. Where will the printer reside in relationship to the AC power source? That's the key question. If the printer is leveraged at a workstation where the AC power is located behind the desk, or for example, the printer will be used on a mobile powered cart, and the power source is behind the printer, then you'll need to purchase the battery limiter that has a cable that exits the rear of the printer. Use cases where you might be mounting the printer on a wall and the AC power outlet is located below the unit, then you would want to select the battery eliminator SKU that has the cable exiting the front of the printer. These are just a few of the examples of the use cases to help you determine which AC power battery eliminator will work for you. So now that you understand the details about the AC powered battery eliminator and which version to purchase based on use case and location of the AC power source, let's talk a little bit about how to actually order these two charging options. So the first part number shown on this slide represents the battery eliminator with the cable that exits the front of the printer. The second part number represents the battery eliminator with the cable exiting the rear of the printer. For both of these battery eliminator charging options, the AC line cord is actually not included as part of the configuration. So when you order either one of these two options, make sure you also order the regional line cord specific for your location. On the right side of this slide, I've shown a picture of the mobile printer accessory guide. I wanted to bring this to your attention because this accessory guide has a wealth of information on the ZQ600, the ZQ500, as well as the ZQ300 in terms of accessories associated with each of these printer lines. For example, you could go to this accessory guide to locate the country-specific line cord for the AC-powered battery eliminator, as well as find the part numbers for these respective battery eliminators in this document. In order to find this accessory guide on zebra.com, simply go to the zebra.com landing page, go to the search icon and type in mobile printer accessory guide, and then this guide will populate. So that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the two versions of the AC powered battery eliminator. And don't forget to go to zebra.com and check out the mobile printer accessory guide. Thank you.